How to set statue message on Microsoft Teams. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set statue message on Microsoft Teams easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Microsoft Teams, and this is the home page as you can see. Now go to the top corner, click on your profile picture, and now choose set statue message. Right here it's the second option, click on it, and here you can add your message and choose if you want people to see it when they are messaging you, or you can clear it after. For example, choose the period of time, 1 hour, 4 hours, or today. After you finish, click save here. It's very easy, and I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.